Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about some good habits. Early to bed, early to rise. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before meal. Take a bath daily. Eat healthy food. Finish your meal. Drink plenty of water. Never waste food. Exercise daily. Wash your clothes. Iron your clothes regularly. Be a good friend. Be kind to animals. Do not yell. Speak softly. Helping others. Cover your sneeze or cough. Sharing things with others. Raise your hand. Greeting others. Say please and thank you. Listen carefully. Follow traffic rules. Stand in a queue. Knock before enter. Do not steal. Never laugh at others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.